State asigi khutsa haiba weaver artisan handloom and handicraft ki pothok singbo national amadi international thakta yahunna bamadi lamdam asigi miyam nasu phanghanna bi pandada Manipur International Textile Expo 2025 Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalan hodokre Manipur nga ki Department of Textile Commerce and Industries mi makada Director of Handloom and Textile Manipur nasindra numit mangani sathak riba expo se Imphal ki Nilakuthi talaiba Arvan Haat sing lemba maungda lamdam asigi ning thiraba culture ki thoronga loina hodokhe Expo si hodolodna Governor na Manipur ki handloom sector se lamdam asigi culture ki oibel lan khaktanate lamdam asigi sermelot ki yumbi amani lamdam asigi handloom ki heritage se kanba madi yokhan bhona ba haiba se aikoi ki thodang khaktanate aikoi ki sautok saningai haikhe Governor na makha taraduna malangi thata pangthola expo sina tradition amade innovation ka loina na craft amadi commerce ki marakta thong amo oidna handloom cluster entrepreneur exporter amade technology ki phambak amada puraktura miyam da sana bayaba mamalda pothok sing phanghan baga loina weaver kaya da hingna bagi lambi mapi ga dori status ki semilo da handloom sector suna yanglen saru oidna nupi kaya da hingna bagi lambi piri sing amadi tamda le yum kaya puri aikhoina lamdam se weaver sing ma import toba matamda community pumba import tawi haibasi khangba sangi haiki expo hodo potu ko mari laina governor na lamdam se ki fisabi sing da fisakol artisan sing sel ki teng bang khusina baga loina handloom and textile department kumjali sini kuntaru ki calendar Manipur gi handloom amadi handicraft sta national amadi state award phangmang khraba sing tata book amsu phongki toramante da Manipur gi chief secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel Textiles and Commerce and Industries के Assistant Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai Handloom and Textile के Director E. Jiten Padmasri L. Bino Ais Radhe Sarmi के बोमसा एम मुक्तामनी मसीहान ससा यावना स्टेट के तोंगान तोंगान फर्म सिट लाख weaver artisan के आना याके
Beyond its economic importance, handloom is also our cultural identity. Each shawl, pennek, tengian or stole woven here carries a story, the spirit of community, the rhythm of our festivals and the love of our land. Protecting and promoting this heritage is both our duty and our pride. Manipur has long been known as the land of weavers, where tradition and talent blend seamlessly. Every piece of fabric woven here carries the fragrance of our hills and valleys and the essence of our culture. This expo is therefore a proud moment for all of us. It offers a vibrant platform for our artisans and entrepreneurs to showcase their creations before a global audience and to strengthen the Manipur brand, a brand that stands for authenticity, elegance and eco-friendly craftsmanship.